Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha and today I'm going to show you how I made this super kawaii candy calendar. I'm going to be using the molds that we received in the Sophie and Toffee calendar elves box. When I first took this mold out, I was so excited to use it. I had never ever seen a calendar like this before, and this is probably one of my favorite crafts that I have made to date. As usual, I'm also going to be using some glitter from Resin, and I was very kindly given some resin and a whole load of mica powders from J Diction. Let me show you what I got. Now this pour actually took a full 2 minutes to do. You're obviously seeing it in just a few seconds, but it is really important to pour really slowly because there are lots of little nooks and crannies to get into with this mold. I definitely think if I'd been more patient and used epoxy resin to do these bars, then they would have all come out exactly the same. Because I was using UV resin, some cured at a slightly different pace to others. It was fine, it's just a minimal difference, but it's just something that I noticed. Once all the numbers had been inked, it was then time to do some decoding. So first of all, I used a bit of white tack behind the calendar just so that I knew where I couldn't use the whipped clay. And I previously had chosen this clay from Sophie and Toffee and also all of these cabochons. But of course, I can't use them all, so I had to sort through them and pick out my favourites. Now, this was actually my first time using Sophie and Toffee's air dry clay. I like that it's really quite soft because I do struggle when it comes to piping, but it does set very quickly. So you've got to work fast if you're using this. So here we are, my darlings. This is the finished product. I am so happy with this calendar. You have no idea. As I said, I'd never seen one like this before, and I just really thoroughly enjoyed creating this. I've decided to start it in the month of February because that is my month. My birthday is on the 6th, as you can see here. And yeah, it's just the best month, really. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.